Okay, in the year 600, Caribbean explorers discovered the island of Jamaica, except that's not what they called it. We don't even know what they called it because the only thing we do know is that they left behind a bunch of red pottery, so we called them the Redware people. Then in 800, the Arawaks, or the Taino, arrived, and they named it Jamaica, meaning the land of wood and water. They lived peacefully, fishing and growing corn until 1494, when Christopher Columbus showed up and said, "Look what I discovered!" Claimed it for Spain, and then over the next 100 years, the Spanish systematically enslaved, tortured, and killed the Arawaks out of existence. They were also enslaving and importing Africans, and then the British showed up in 1655 and said, "Sorry, old chaps!" And they took over, and more enslaved people were brought in. Sugarcane production skyrocketed, Britain was making money, and they were killing and they were torturing, and some of the enslaved people were like, to hell with this, and they fought the British in a series of wars called the Maroon Wars. The Maroons, as they were called, lived in the mountains, kept fighting the British, and then eventually the British just gave up, because fighting in the mountains is hard. The slave trade was abolished in 1838, the Jamaican Constitution was adopted in 1944, and then on August 6, 1962, Jamaica gained its independence, and the Maroons are still celebrated as heroes of Jamaican history to this day.